Alright, finally back to work, finally walking. This thing has not been started in a month and a half, and obviously you can see it's cold. We just got a couple inches of snow this morning. Hasn't been run at all. And again, this is the first time it's being started in a couple months. Well, a month and a half. Alright, here we go. Fires up and purrs like a kitten. No preheat, no glow plugs. I really love this thing. Works great. We got it for a song. Alright, everybody. Have a good Wednesday. Happy hump day.